Charging power convenience. Charge 2 mobile phones simultaneously with 2 USB Type-A charging ports and a bonus tamper-resistant outlet. Reduces cord clutter. Keeps your kitchen counter free from bulky adapters. Protects children. Patented shutter system helps prevent improper insertion of foreign objects, now with black invisi-shutters for an invisible effect preferred by end users. Stylishly easy upgrade. Replaces any standard and/or old outlet with ease. Total outlet. 4. Seamlessly complete your project or remodel. Matches other Radiant devices and screwless wall plates by Legrand, pass Seymour. Top reviews from the United States. Convenience. Matte black. USB. Love. I purchased all Legrand electrical outlets, switches for my house on Amazon. I highly recommend this product line in general, but the USB outlets are great. I would also check out the Legrand night light outlets. The black looks amazing.